a tiny palm clasped tightly in your hand.
A kind, generous, and truly inspiring leader with a heart that cares for everyone. You already have everything, so we simply offer our deepest gratitude, loyalty, and best wishes. May your special day be overflowing with love, happiness, and endless blessings. Here are the people who continue to love, appreciate, and stand by you through all times and seasons. Listen to their heartfelt messages for you.
Hi, boss! Surprise! Happy birthday! Wishing you more success, good health, and thank you for everything. Thank you for all the advices, for being a good owner to us. More birthdays to come, and God bless you always. We love you!
Happy birthday, Boss B. So, ayun, birthday mo na naman. Parang kailan lang, bilis ng panahon, di ba? Ayan, seryoso na. Ito, Boss B, happy birthday. Thank you for being generous to us, especially sa aking mga co-admins. I wish you all the best. Sana i-bless ka pa at i-guide ka pa ni Lord dahil marami ka nang natutulungan, especially sa aming mga TRA members. Again, once again, happy birthday. Ayan. Salamat. Bye.
Hello, Boss Bella. Happy birthday. Ano bang masasabi ko? Basta best of health, I think. Gusto ko sana lahat pa ng mga plano mo for the reborn is matupad. Thank you for keep supporting us. Lalo sa amin for still trusting us. And thank you for inspiring din makagawa pa kami ng mga bagay na beyond or hindi namin lubos maisip na pwede pala namin magawa. You're such a kind person, a very wonderful person inside and out, a very sweet. Basta napakasaya lang na after all these years, we're still here and maraming salamat talaga.
Hi, Boss Bella! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa iyo dyan. Oh my God, birthday mo na, Boss! Happy birthday! And wish ko sa iyo. May wish ako sa iyo. Dahan-dahanin ko lang. Dahan-dahan lang. Ow! And wish ko sa iyo. Konti lang. Happy birthday, Boss! Thank you for your kindness. And we are so grateful na part kami sa apps kung saan ka, and masaya kami kasi napasaya ka namin, and sobrang napasaya mo rin kami as in. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. Sana mahaba pa ang pagsasamahan natin, kahit malayo yan, abutin namin. Char, ganun kami. Thank you, Boss, kasi wala, sobrang bait mo talaga. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka lang dyan sa palagi sa trabaho mo, dyan sa far away. Sana soon, makikita tayo. Happy birthday, Boss. Yun lang. Ingat palagi. We love you.
Good morning. By the way, happy birthday sa nag-iisang Boss DJ Bella. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng blessings and opportunity na sinashare mo sa amin. And then, good health and more blessing to come. And then, kita-kits tayo sa Pinas sa pag-uwi mo. And then, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Maraming salamat. And then, papasok na ang tagapagmana. Sheesh! Reborn!
And happy birthday sa nag-iisang Boss B ng Reborn Kada 91.3 FM. May you have many birthdays to come, candles to blow, mga wishes sa sana matupad para sa pamilya at sa buhay may asawa. Ayan, thank you sa mga support mo palagi, sa members, sa mga admin, sa mga sinasalihang event. Kahit busy ka, nandiyan ka palagi para sumuporta. Ayun, congratulations ka agad sa mga bagong pinasok ng Reborn na sana maging successful palalo. Ayan, thank you so much sa friendship and wishing you all the best. At sana sa kaarawan mo ay maging happy ka. Ayun, happy lang palagi. Thank you sa mga support mo palagi. Ayan. Happy birthday!
Hi, Boss B. Happy birthday. I hope that you're enjoying your special day with your family and friends and loved ones. Siyempre, maraming salamat kasi nandiyan ka pa rin and you're leading us, your Reborn Kada family. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin. Marami na rin tayo mga pinagdaan ng mga issue, mga kwentuhan, kahit na nung nasa kabilang mundo pa tayo, di ba? And I personally would like to thank you din dahil kasi you're among the very few people that I really trusted with certain personal issues. Tapos, andun ka para makinig. So, I really appreciate that. I could only wish you the best in life. Sana lahat ng hilingin mong mabuti, magkatotoo, ibigay ni Papa God yun sa'yo. May you have many more birthdays to come, more blessings, because you only deserve the best that life can bring. Diba? Maraming salamat uli, and we hope, well, I personally hope to see you someday. Sayang lang hindi tayo nabigyan ng chance nung nasa UAE pa ako to sana nakapag-bonding man lang tayo, diba? Pero who knows, maybe someday ma-meet rin kita in person. But till then, you take care and God bless always. Happy birthday! We love you!
Hello, boys! Binabati kita ng birthday mo. Happy birthday sa'yo po. Thank you po sa bigay na birthday po sa inyo. Wish ko po na sana maganda na buhay, maganda kalusugan, maganda na blessings. Saka wish ko sana may lechon. Kasi masarap yung lechon eh. Happy birthday, Boss B! Ang gusto ko lang sabihin na love ka po namin na buong TRA. Love you, Boss B! Mama!
Hi! Hello, happy birthday, Bosby. I know last year, surprise ka na but now, I don't know kung surprise mo ba ulit ito. And it's been a while, no, na nahimik and tahimik mo, Yin Yang. But now, we are here again. Binabati ko sa'yo special day. I wish the endless joy, success, love, and all happiness your heart can hold. Keep being the amazing person you are. Happy birthday, Boss B. And ayun, to all members of Reborn Kadas and DJs and to all ka-admins na nanatiling nandyan. Hi guys, I miss you. Babalik din ako, pero siguro bibilangin pa yung days and months. And thank you.
Hello Mama Belle, good morning and happy birthday sa'yo. Sana mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, and wish ko sa'yo is good health ang lagi. Still the same as Mama Belle that we know. Tsaka maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. And God bless you always. Bye! I love you. Mwah!
Hello, Boss B! Happy birthday! More blessing and many more birthday to come. Ang hirap pala ng ganito. Ngayon ko lang alam. Ang hirap mag-set up. By the way, boss, thank you so much, boss. Sana mas marami ka pang matulungan. Lalo na sa mga TRA. Thank you, boss. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Boss! Happy birthday sa'yo! Anyways, boss, we are doing this para sa birthday mo. Siyempre, gusto namin masihang ka. Anyways, I'm Barbie Lat from TRA po. Pinabati namin kayo ng happy birthday!
Again, Happy birthday, DJ Bella, from your admins and DJs.